In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split screen on Zoom. If by split screen you're looking to see a shared screen side by side with video tiles, Zoom calls this side-by-side mode, and it works the same on Windows and Mac. I'll walk you through how to turn it on, customize the view, set it to happen automatically, and switch it off when you're done. First, join a Zoom meeting where someone is actively sharing their screen. Side-by-side mode only appears when a share is in progress, so if you don't see the option yet, wait until the host or another participant starts sharing. Once the shared content appears, move your cursor to the top of the Zoom window. A small toolbar will appear there. Click View Options. This menu only shows up during screen sharing, and it's your control center for how you see the content. From that drop-down, select Side-by-Side mode. Instantly, Zoom splits your view into two panes, the shared screen on the left and your video pane on the right. This lets you follow the presentation while keeping an eye on participants, which is especially helpful during discussions, training sessions, or collaborative reviews. You can fine-tune the balance between these two panes. Hover your cursor over the vertical line between the shared content and the video pane. When the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, click and drag left or right to resize. Drag toward the left to make participant videos larger or toward the right to emphasize the shared content. Adjust it as often as you like while the share is on. On the right side, you can choose how participant videos are displayed. Switch between speaker view to spotlight the person currently talking, or gallery view to see a grid of participants. Speaker view is great when you want to focus on a presenter's expressions, while gallery view helps you read the room and gauge reactions. If you prefer this layout every time, you can set it to turn on automatically. Open Zoom settings, go to the Share Screen tab, and enable Side-by-Side mode. With that box checked, Zoom will switch into side-by-side mode anytime someone starts sharing, so you don't have to click the menu each time. When you're finished, exiting is simple. Click View Options again and uncheck side-by-side mode. Your view will go back to Zoom's standard screen sharing display. That's all you need to comfortably split your view in Zoom and stay engaged with both the content and the people.